This is Natarajan. Welcome to the engineering graphics class. Today in the projection of planes, I will explain the resting on one of its side on VP. A pentagon lamina of side 30 mm rests on VP on one of its side. Its surface is inclined 30 degree to VP and its front view is inclined 45 degree to HP. Draw its projections. Here you have to draw the pentagonal lamina above the reference line. Above the reference is what we call as vertical plane VP. Now, keeping this AB as vertical, that is called as side, one of which side on VP. Draw the pentagon. Side AB is as vertical. Mark as A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, and E dash. When viewed from the top, A is visible, E is visible, D is visible. Therefore, it is A of B, E of C, and D. First, you have to draw the pentagon வரீங்க AB வந்து வெர்டிகலாக வச்சு வரீங்க ஏன்னா சைடு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க ஒன் ஆஃப் இட் சைடு side is perpendicular to ground HP. So AB வெர்டிகலாக வச்சு வரீங்க draw the pentagon A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash and E dash மார்க் பண்ணுங்க. Now மேலேருந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா A, E, D are visible இருக்கும். Therefore it is A of B, E of C and D. This is the first step. Simple position. Pentagon resting on VP. The second step is mark this A1, B1 here. Now draw a 30 degree inclined line. Now AD as radius, from A1 as center, cut an arc. Mark as D1. So AD radius வச்சுட்டு A1 center வச்சு ஒரு arc cut பண்ணுங்க. Mark as D1. Similarly AE as radius. Compass layer, take AE as radius, A1 as center, cut an arc, mark as E1, C1. Now from here, draw the vertical line from D1, E1 and from A1, and from here draw the horizontal line. Okay, from C dash, B dash, A dash, D dash, E dash. The intersection of A1 and this horizontal A dash line, mark as A1 dash. Here also it is the horizontal of B dash, and from B1 mark as B1 dash. Here from the C1 is the horizontal C dash, that is called as C1 dash, and also the top one is E1 dash because E C lies in the same line. The horizontal arranging the mark as E1 dash. Now from D1 draw a vertical line and D dash draw horizontal line. The intersection point is D1 dash. Okay. Where you have to use two pencil, a very thin line, because these are called as projection lines. The projection line we have to draw a very thin line. Now mark 1, 2, 3, 4 in the corner of the box. Okay, pentagon. So we have to transfer this box to the third step. Okay, it is the front view. This is the front view. It is inclined 45 degree to HP. So draw a 45 degree line. So in that, first you have to transfer the point here. Okay. So I'm keeping this 1,4 in the inclined line. 1,4 in the inclined line வச்சிருக்கேன். Okay. Mark as 1 and 4. Here it is vertical, but here it is inclined to 45 degree line. Now if I am here, draw a perpendicular line, and if from the 4 also draw a perpendicular line. So the 1, 4, here it is 1, 4, it is 4, 3. Here it is 3, and here it is 2 only. Okay. Now from 1 to 2, measure using compass. From 1, cut an arc in the perpendicular line and mark as 2 here. Okay. So I will mark 2 now. here mark as 3. Okay. ஸோ இது வந்து இதில் பர்பண்டிகுலர் லைன் வரைஞ்சிட்டு இந்த 1 to ரேடியஸை வச்சு இங்கேருந்து ஒரு ஆர் கட் பண்ணுங்க. 1லேருந்து ஆர் கட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா மார்க் as 2. Similarly, from 4 you have to draw a perpendicular line, and distance is from 4 to 3. Here also from 4 to 3 cut an arc. So join 2 and 3. So you will get a rectangular box here. Now you have to transfer all these points A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash, D1 dash and E1 dash to the inclined line. Now here in the 1 4 only this A1 dash and B1 dash lies in the 1 4 line. Now from here from 1 to A1 dash measure using distance, measure using your compass. From 1 as center cut an arc, mark as A2 dash, and also from 4 to B1 dash, from 4 as center cut an arc, mark as B2 dash. Okay, now here E1 dash lies between 1 and 2 line. Now here from 1 as from 1 E1 dash as radius, from 1 as center cut an arc, mark as E2 dash. So E1 dash and C1 dash lies in the same line. Therefore, you have to draw a parallel line from E2, parallel to 2 3. E2 dash line draw a parallel line. எதுக்கு parallel line? 2 3 parallel line, draw a line. The intersection point is called as C2 dash. So you will get A dash, B dash, E2 dash and C2 dash. Then you have to mark D2 dash only. So here the D1 dash lies between midpoint of 2 3. So midpoint of 2 3 la the D1 dash lies. Okay, so from 2 to D1 dash. Okay, here also from 2 to D2 dash cut an arc here. From here draw a perpendicular line to this A4. Sorry, from 1 to 4. Okay, now join all these points by using HB pencil. A2, B2, C2, D2 dash, E2 dash. Okay, therefore we will get a inclined pentagon which is 45 degree to horizontal ground, 45 degree to ground. Now from here draw a vertical line, and here also draw a horizontal line. இங்க vertical line வரீங்க, இங்க horizontal வரீங்க. The intersection of A2 dash, because A1 view lies on the ground. Okay, here it is A2 dash, here also horizontal it is A2. From here, from B2 dash draw a vertical line. From here draw the intersection point is B2. Here from C2 dash draw a vertical line. Here draw a horizontal line. Okay, the intersection point is C2. Now from D2 dash draw a vertical line. Here draw a horizontal and intersection point is D2. Okay, from E2 dash draw a vertical line. Here draw a horizontal intersection point is E2. So this is how you have to draw the a lamina which is rest on VP on one of its side. Okay. So thank you for watching this problems on projection of planes. Okay. Kindly subscribe my channel and you will get regular updates in the engineering graphics class. Okay.